Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today I will walk you through the best portable air conditioner, the Winter Nex. Stay tuned to find out why this award-winning portable air conditioner is the best in the market. Let's begin. Product features: Smart control with Wi-Fi integration. Use the Net Home Plus app to control the Winter Nex from anywhere. It is also Alexa and Google Home compatible. Smart home voice control and remote command offers seamless adaptability. Regardless of your location, this AC will always make your comfort effortless and tech-savvy. Inverter technology for efficiency. The Winter Nex AC is equipped with an inverter, a feature that will save you 40% energy and will cool over 20% more than other portable ACs. Now you can say goodbye to expensive electricity bills. Also, this is an intelligent, eco-friendly investment for the summer. Powerful dehumidifier. In addition to cooling a space, this unit also reduces space humidity. It is equipped with 87 pints a day dehumidifying capacity, is perfect for damp rooms and humid climates. The user will never need to empty tanks manually because the unit's auto drain feature will remove condensate automatically. Multiple operational modes. The Winter Nex features auto, cool, dehumidify, and fan modes, providing flexibility in adjusting the environment. Regardless of the need, be it a cool, refreshing blow, complete cooling, or dehumidification, the AC can be set to the desired cooling for the best comfort throughout the year. Innovative dual hose design. The use of this unique hose-in-hose dual system provides great performance by this portable AC unit and prevents the entire unit from becoming inefficient by drawing in hot air. This design improves the cooling effectiveness by preventing heat leakage, which makes this unit more efficient than single-hose alternatives. Washable air filter. The washable air filter reduces the dust and other harmful particles, thus improving the indoor air quality. Since the filter is washable, it is easy to clean, which makes it eco-friendly. Such nature makes it possible to reduce the need of frequent replacements, thus saving money while maintaining a healthier environment. Pros: powerful and quiet cooling for large rooms, smart Wi-Fi and voice assistant control, energy-saving inverter technology, efficient dual-hose cooling system, built-in dehumidifier with auto drain, washable and reusable air filter. Cons: this model is slightly heavier than other portable ACs. Requires a window for vent installation this unit. Dual hose may require some extra space for placement. Final thoughts. The Winter Nex is one of the most effective, intelligent, and low-noise portable air conditioners in the market, making it an ideal choice. It integrates the functionalities of an air cooler, dehumidifier, and offers a combination of advanced smart controls which makes it easy to use in any space. Enhance your comfort and stay cool this season with the Winter Nex portable air conditioners. As you always know, check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more amazing technology insights.